Hello, everyone. Welcome to Let's Chat English.
Do you understand English, but you can't speak?
Can you watch movies? Can you read books? But when someone talks to you,
You freeze. You can't say anything.
don't worry. Today, we will fix that together.
Yes. By the end of this video, you will feel more confident.
You will start speaking. We promise.
So, let's begin. First, let's talk about why this happens.
Good idea. Josh, why do people understand English but can't speak?
Well, Rachel, it's very normal. Many people have this problem.
Yes, it's not just you. Millions of people feel this way.
Here's the reason. When you listen to English, you use your ears.
You hear the words, you understand them. That's good.
But speaking is different. Speaking uses your mouth, your tongue, your voice.
It's like this. You can understand how to ride a bicycle when you watch someone.
But can you ride the bicycle without practice?
No, you need to try. You need to practice.
Speaking English is the same. You need practice.
Let me give you an example. Imagine you study grammar every day.
You read books. You watch videos. You understand everything.
But you never speak. You never practice speaking.
Then one day, someone asks you, "Where are you from?"
And you know the answer, but the words don't come out.
You feel nervous. Your mind goes blank.
This is the problem. Understanding and speaking are two different skills. You trained one skill, but not the other skill.
So today, we will help you train your speaking skill.
We will show you how, step by step. Don't worry.
Are you ready?
Let's go. Now let's look at some real situations. Everyday situations.
These are times when English learners feel nervous.
First situation. You're at a coffee shop.
The barista asks you a question. Let's watch. Good morning. What can I get for you today?
I,
Are you okay?
I,
See, Rachel understood my question, but she couldn't answer.
I felt nervous. The words were in my head, but they didn't come out.
This is very common. Let's try again. But this time, let's practice first.
Good idea. Let's practice a simple answer.
Repeat after me. I'd like a coffee, please.
I'd like a coffee, please.
Good. Again, I'd like a coffee, please.
I'd like a coffee, please.
Perfect. Now let's try the situation again. Good morning. What can I get for you today?
I'd like a coffee, please.
Sure. What size?
Medium, please.
Great.
See, that was much better.
Yes, because Rachel practiced the sentence first.
Now let's look at another situation.
Situation number 2. Someone asks about your weekend.
This is very common in English. People ask, "How was your weekend?"
Let's watch what happens. Rachel acts as friend, Josh as learner.
Hey, Josh, how was your weekend?
It was, good.
What did you do?
I don't know how to say. They stop acting.
Josh understood my question.
But he couldn't answer smoothly.
I knew what I wanted to say, but I couldn't find the words fast enough.
So let's practice some simple answers.
Repeat after me. It was good. I relaxed at home.
It was good. I relaxed at home.
Again, it was nice. I watched some movies.
It was nice. I watched some movies.
One more. It was fun. I met some friends.
It was fun. I met some friends.
Excellent. Now you have 3 easy answers. So let's practice some simple answers.
Repeat after me. It was good. I relaxed at home.
It was good. I relaxed at home.
Again, it was nice. I watched some movies.
It was nice. I watched some movies.
One more. It was fun. I met some friends.
It was fun. I met some friends.
Excellent. Now you have 3 easy answers.
Let's try the conversation again. Hey, Josh, how was your weekend?
It was good. I relaxed at home.
Nice. Did you do anything special?
I watched some movies.
Cool.
Much better, right?
Yes, the secret is practice simple answers before you need them.
Prepare some sentences. Keep them ready in your mind.
Then, when someone asks, you can answer easily.
Okay, now let's learn 8 solutions, 8 ways to help you speak English.
These tips are simple. They really work.
Solution number 1, talk to yourself.
Yes, this is very important. Talk to yourself in English every day.
For example, when you wake up in the morning, say, "Good morning, today is Monday."
Or when you're cooking, say, I'm making breakfast. I'm cooking eggs.
You don't need another person. Just practice alone.
Let's try right now. Josh, what are you doing?
I'm standing here. I'm talking to Rachel. I'm smiling.
Perfect. See, he's describing his actions.
Now you try at home. Talk about what you're doing.
Solution number 2. Use short sentences.
Many learners try to speak long, complicated sentences.
But that's difficult. Keep your sentences short.
For example, don't say, "I went to the store yesterday because I needed to buy some food, and also I wanted to get some coffee."
That's too long. Instead, say, I went to the store yesterday. I bought some food. I also got coffee.
See? 3 short sentences. Much easier.
Short sentences are clear. They're easy to say.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I like coffee.
I like coffee.
I drink it every morning.
I drink it every morning.
It tastes good.
It tastes good.
Beautiful. 3 short sentences. Easy, right?
Solution number 4. Don't worry about mistakes.
This is so important. Mistakes are okay.
Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers.
When you speak, don't stop and think, oh no, is this correct?
Just speak. The other person will understand you.
For example, if you say, I go to the store yesterday, that's okay.
The grammar isn't perfect, but we understand you.
You can say went next time, but for now, just speak.
The most important thing is communication.
Mistakes help you learn, so don't be afraid.
Solution number 5. Record yourself.
Use your phone. Record your voice speaking English.
Then listen to the recording. How do you sound?
Maybe you speak too fast or too quiet.
Recording yourself helps you improve.
Let me show you. Rachel, can you say something?
Sure. Hello, my name is Rachel. I love teaching English.
Good. Now, imagine you recorded that. You can listen and think, was that clear? Did I pronounce the words correctly?
Then you can try again and improve.
Solution number 5. Learn common phrases.
You don't need to create every sentence from zero.
Learn some phrases that people use every day.
For example, nice to meet you.
How are you?
I don't understand.
Can you repeat that?
That sounds good.
I'd like to.
These phrases are very useful. Learn them. Use them.
Let's practice one. Repeat, that sounds good.
That sounds good.
Again, that sounds good.
That sounds good.
Perfect. Now you can use this phrase in conversations.
Solution number 6. Think in English.
Many learners think in their language first, then they translate to English.
But this is slow, and sometimes the translation is wrong.
Try to think directly in English.
For example, when you see a dog, think dog. Not your language word, just dog.
When you're hungry, think, I'm hungry. Say it in your mind in English.
This is hard at first, but with practice, it gets easier.
Your brain will start working in English.
Solution number 7. Copy native speakers.
This is called shadowing. You repeat what native speakers say.
Watch a video, listen to a sentence, then say the same sentence.
Copy the rhythm. Copy the pronunciation. Copy everything.
For example, I'll say something, then Josh will copy me. I love learning English.
I love learning English.
Good. Again, it's fun and interesting.
It's fun and interesting.
See, Josh copied my voice, my rhythm, my pronunciation.
This helps your brain learn how English sounds.
And solution number 8, speak a little bit every day.
You don't need to study for 3 hours.
Even 5 minutes is good, but do it every day.
Every day is better than one long day.
Speak for 5 minutes today, 5 minutes tomorrow, 5 minutes the next day.
After 1 month, you will see big improvement.
Small steps every day lead to big results.
So those are our 8 solutions.
Let's review them quickly.
Number 1, talk to yourself.
Number 2, use short sentences.
Number 3, don't worry about mistakes.
Number 4, record yourself.
Number 5, learn common phrases.
Number 6, think in English.
Number 7, copy native speakers.
And number 8, speak a little bit every day.
These 8 tips will change your speaking.
Now it's time to practice. We will say some sentences. You repeat them.
Speak out loud. Don't just think the words, say them.
Ready? Let's start with easy sentences.
Sentence number 1. Repeat after me. Hello, how are you?
Good. Again. Hello. How are you?
Excellent. Next sentence. I'm fine, thank you.
One more time. I'm fine. Thank you.
Great. Next one. Nice to meet you.
Again. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. Now, what's your name?
Once more. What's your name?
Wonderful. Next. My name is... Say your name.
Good. Now let's try some daily life sentences.
Repeat. I'd like a coffee, please.
Again. I'd like a coffee, please.
Excellent. Next. How much is this?
One more time. How much is this?
Great. Now, can you help me?
Again. Can you help me?
Perfect. Next. I don't understand.
Once more. I don't understand.
Wonderful. And can you repeat that?
Again. Can you repeat that?
Excellent work. Now let's try some conversation sentences.
Repeat. How was your day?
Again. How was your day?
Good. Next. It was good, thanks.
One more time. It was good. Thanks.
Great. Now, what did you do today?
Again. What did you do today?
Perfect. And I worked and studied.
Once more. I worked and studied.
Wonderful. Last one. That sounds interesting.
Again. That sounds interesting.
Amazing! You did it!
You just practiced speaking English.
How do you feel?
I hope you feel more confident.
Remember, practice these sentences every day.
Say them when you're alone. Say them in the mirror.
The more you practice, the easier it gets.
Okay, everyone, we're at the end of today's video.
Let's review what we learned.
First,
We talked about why you understand English but can't speak.
It's because understanding and speaking are different skills.
You need to practice speaking, not just listening.
Then we showed you some real-life situations.
And we gave you 8 solutions to help you speak better.
Talk to yourself. Use short sentences. Don't worry about mistakes.
Record yourself. Learn common phrases. Think in English.
Copy native speakers and speak a little bit every day.
Finally, we practiced some sentences together.
You did great!
We're so proud of you.
Remember, speaking English is a journey. It takes time.
Don't give up. Keep practicing every day.
Some days will be hard. That's okay.
Every time you speak, you're improving.
We believe in you.
And we're here to help you.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel.
Hit the bell icon so you don't miss our new videos.
We make videos every week to help you learn English.
And leave a comment. Tell us, what's the hardest part about speaking English for you?
We read all the comments, and we'll make videos to help you.
Thank you so much for watching.
We'll see you in the next video.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking. Bye.